Hey friends, Rebecca with VDDS. So welcome to another day in the life of me, of a digital marketer. We're gonna drive to work, but I figured I'd go ahead and talk with you while I'm driving. Let's see how this works out. Hopefully my audio is okay. I'm gonna try and speak up because I bought a lapel mic for this, but then I don't know where I put it. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and chat with you while I drive. So today is my first day feeling kind of normal. I got some kind of head cold for the past 2 weeks and it was horrible, really bad. There was a lot of nap taking and I'm really bad at taking naps, so that's also how I knew I was for sure sick. I do kind of have some autoimmune stuff that goes on from now and then, and so sometimes I'll actually get paranoid, am I actually sick, or something really wrong with me? But thankfully my husband got it too, so I mean, not that I'm glad he got sick, but it kind of gives me some reassurance, you know, it's not just me, this is a real thing. So today I'm going back into the office. I think this will be, I'm gonna say it's gonna be my first full day back, but that's not really true because I actually have a hair appointment later. I don't know if you could tell, but I don't know. I mean, I know it still looks short, but it's been 10 weeks since I got my hair cut. So I'm looking forward to that. So that's what we got later on today. And then, so we're gonna head to the office and I need to chat with a few clients. I might have one person coming into the office. I don't know. We'll see. And then I for sure have a Zoom appointment with one of my clients. And then I'm going to be chatting with an in-person client, which I guess I kind of already said that, but it's another one. So potentially 2 people at the office, and then 1 person on Zoom. And then I got I've been studying on how to make things better, and how to improve. And when I get excited about things, I love to talk about it, and it's kind of infectious to other people. So I ended up having I work at Office Evolution, and they're hiring me to help them film some videos for their social media, and basically just to kind of help them with their marketing for the summer. So yeah, and then I got a new gimbal, so I will show you that when I get to my office. I have it charged up, but I bought one when I did my last day in the life video. I actually was using a gimbal, but I only spent $30 on it, and I think you get what you pay for. It was not good. It was overheating, and I don't know, it was a weird experience. And so I spent this one was about $100. And it also so it has an app, and I'll show you the brand in a minute, when I get to my office. It has an app that links to with your phone, and the other one did not. And then it also will help me to take selfies, because it has a little remote control. So how cool is that? Hey, I'm back, and I found my lapel mic. Super excited because there's a lot of white noise in here, so you shouldn't be able to hear it so much. That'll be good. So today one of my goals too is I've got this new gimbal, Gotta look at the lens. So I'm gonna try and learn how to set that up because that'll make my vlogs a lot better quality. So I'm excited about that. I charged it at home, so I just need to do that. So for the calendar planner I use, so it's a law of attraction planner, and I can plan out like my month. Drop the bookmark. And then it also lets me plan per week. So it does have a spot to do like the top 3 tasks, but again, I'm gonna try and get a whiteboard and I'll unbox that with you. And then I feel like I got like a million things going on. So one of my meetings canceled today, but I did already chat with Jennifer at Office Evolution to kind of go over her videos and what she's wanting for that. So I should start filming those probably tomorrow. Just a little bit of footage for like the B-roll and make the videos a little more interesting. So we'll kind of get that started and going. So another thing that I have is, so I'm really wanting to get more branding, more swag, and something that one of my taglines is clickers into clients. And so I think that that would be really cool on a shirt, but I can't, like, the vision is not there. Usually, like, I made my logo and I like that kind of thing, but I just don't have the vision for it. So what I did is I went ahead and ordered on Fiverr, hopefully I said that right, and I wanted to go ahead and show you, like, I haven't seen it yet, so we're gonna see this together for the first time. So let's take a look at what they came up with. They came up, like, I just ordered it yesterday, so this is really impressive. So let's take a look. All right, so it says my order is here. So let's view what we think. I don't know if there's a way to exit out of that. So yeah, not very impressed. I feel like I could have done this myself. Yeah, that's too bad. Yeah, I was really wanting like a mouse. And like I was maybe wanting like the C to kind of like be the mouse maybe somehow. I'll have to like redo this because I do like the idea of the $sign, because like when people click on your website or they click on your product, they go into a client and turn into a client and you make some money. So I do like that aspect of it, but these are like way too basic. This is really not what I was wanting. Like, this is cool, right? Like, I need something cool. And so yeah, I don't see the lineup of what I got versus this, so we're gonna try again. And sometimes you have to do that, you know, to kind of get more what you want. So yeah, I will definitely be asking for a revision on this. All right, so I now have, this is the whiteboard that I ordered, so I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up. So it comes with washable markers, and it also comes with like magnets and an eraser and then like a kickstand. Looks like I can put it on the wall also, but right now I don't want to put anything else on the wall. Maybe I'll change my mind, but right now I'm thinking actually I'm gonna set it on my filing cabinet or just my desk, so that way I can just kind of like have it looking at me while I'm working. So let's go ahead and get this set up. All right, so I got my whiteboard set up, super excited about that. I love that I can just like look at it and it kind of will help me stay on task and kind of remember like what are my priorities. I did add a couple more things, but a lot of things aren't going to take very much time, so I should be able to get through them. And then I love like all the different colors of the different pens. I like blue. It's probably why it's one of my branding colors. But yeah, so it's nice to have different colors to write with when I want to, and they're also magnetic. So I think what I'll probably do is actually just like stick things on the back of it, the side I'm not using, so that way I keep everything together and nice and organized. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. So let's go ahead and get some work done. So I got back my video that's been edited, so I'm going to go ahead and take a look at that. And then we're going to go ahead and get out some SEO reports. It's not my favorite thing to do. I love SEO, but like the research, sometimes it's like starting the new one can be a challenge. So I'm going to try and do all that research and get a few of those done. And then too, part of what I do for SEO is I help them with content, and I have a copywriter that does my content for me, but then I need to upload it to their websites. So that's what I'm going to be working on right now. So I will check back with you in a little bit. All right, so I just had my meeting. It was on Zoom. I didn't get any footage of it, but it went good. I've had some good meetings today. I'm now heading to go get my hair done. So I got all of those 3 tasks done today and a little bit more. I think what's kind of nice is when you have your tasks but like they're not big tasks, then you can just kind of like check them off really quickly. So yeah, it felt like very productive even though I'm not working a full day today, which is awesome. Especially since I'm still not like 100%. I got kind of tired, but yeah. So the gimbal was like super fun, way different than the cheap one that I bought. You definitely get what you pay for. Alright, so I got my hair done. I don't know if the lighting's very good in here or not. Much better, feels healthy. She always comments on my hair, so I do my hair color myself, with just natural henna. I don't know if you can see this. And I just did it over the weekend, and she's like, people can't do that with henna, and so she was encouraging me to make some videos on how I do my hair. But I don't think that this is that kind of a channel, at least right now. So yeah, maybe in the future, but yeah, it's nice that I'm able to I definitely save a lot of money, but it's also there's no chemicals to it, so I enjoy that as well. So this about wraps up today. I'm gonna just head home and probably relax. Yeah, I'm gonna have a really busy day tomorrow. So, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if there's anything else you want to see me doing. If you have any questions for me, I'd love to chat with you. Yeah, so have a wonderful day, night, whatever is going on for you, and I will see you in another video. Bye.